Here we go, Firebolt Bluetooth calling smartwatch 3.0. We'll do unboxing. Very good packaging, and it has this metal body, metal dial, what do we say, and I will remove this sticker. Pretty much good build quality. Here we have, yep, I'll turn on. Yeah, here we go. Wow, Virat Kohli. Yeah, smooth display. It has very good resolution. What else we have? We have this charging cable, and manual we have. So it has 1.28 HD display. We can call, remove. Here are some watch faces available. Nice. What is this button for? Okay, this is for our daily exercise and all. Yeah. Do we have any menu? No. Side, yeah, settings we have. Stopwatch, alarm timer, menu, brightness, menu view, grid view, list view we can select. Okay, dial pad. So I'm not connected to phone, that's why it's not doing it. Okay. Okay, so this is the unboxing and review. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and wait for the review after 7 days. Thank you guys. Bye.